Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. I'm Muhammad Agung Pribadi from study program Knowledge Al-Quran and Tafsir. Here I will describe my idol. His name Cristiano Ronaldo. He is the best player at Manchester United. He is a famous football player who inspires young players. He has a handsome face and tall body. His favorite color is white. He often wears a watch when traveling. He is very kind and generous. He is also an accurate free kick specialist. His jumping ability and technique have given him an extra edge in winning matches. Maybe that's all I can describe about my idol. So much from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.